Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete subtasks here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a subtask in Jira is a straightforward process, but it should be done with caution as it permanently removes the subtask and its associated data. Now, we have a separate video on how to create a subtask here in Jira. If you haven't already, you might want to check that on our channel. But basically, I'm going to create a very quick subtask here. Okay, you see? I'm gonna click on select. All right. Now I'm gonna create a new maybe I'm going to create a task, right? And press enter. I'm going to create an issue. Now after that, I'm going to I'm going to create a subtask. All right. I'm gonna click on it, just wait it and go to the option. I'm gonna click on that, and this is going to be the way for you to delete a subtask. There is an option to the more actions. Just click on delete. It's a very straightforward process that, again, you should take it cautiously, because if you delete that, it's permanent. So if you're not sure, you can resolve or close this subtask instead. All right. If you click that, it's permanently deleted. All right. Now, if in case you encounter any problems deleting a subtask, which is a very easy thing to do, maybe you're encountering a bug or a glitch, you might want to go to the help section here, type in your question to see if you get an answer. If not, you need to proceed to the contacting the Jira support teams, and we're going to choose the technical support and raise a support ticket. In this case, on the drop-down menu, you might want to go to the technical issues and bugs, and the product is going to be the Jira. You can summarize your issue here. For example, deleting that if you're encountering any problems, and you can attach a screenshot or a file to as supporting evidence. And once you've done that, one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the issue of deleting subtasks here in Jira. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.